I am Assistant Professor from the Department of Zoology, KC Mulji Jetha Autonomous College, Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I have teaching experience of 10 years. My subject of specialization is fishery science. I have published 26 research articles, one book. Under my guidance, 2 PhD student is working. Apart from academics, I have served NCC department for 9 years at lieutenant post. This was all. Now I proceed with my presentation. Intellectual property rights are new arena of modern life of today's world. Only see the tremendous scientific technological advancement, and as a result numerous new invention method processes are being developed day by day. They can generate a great potential value, and therefore they can generate a great profitable condition for inventors and creators. IPR across the world, that is the World Intellectual Property Organization, and it was established in 1967. It was specialized agency of United Nations. It promotes the protection of IP in the world. Its headquarters as at Geneva, Switzerland, and the World Intellectual Property Day observed on April 26 every year. What is intellectual property? Definition by WIPO. Intellectual property refers to creation of minds, inventors, literary, artistic works and symbols, names, images, design used in commerce. The resource person Dr. Ranjana from IRTR also gives lots of information about this. Think away from the box. It generates idea and own them, that is IPR. Intellectual property rights not to be confused with IP. It is a right vested in asset, not the asset itself. For example, an idea or invention is IP and a patent registration is an IPR. A customer and price list is IP. A right of privacy is an IPR. A secret production method is IP. A right to a trade secret is IPR. A particular way of presentation is IP, and copyright as a design registration is an IPR. A brand trade name is IP and a trademark registration is an IPR. IP evolution is nothing but the property rights. Intellectual property rights is idea as expression, that is nothing but the copyright. Idea as innovation and invention is patent. Idea with quality and identity is nothing but trademark. Idea with appearance is design. Idea with keep confidential, no disclosure is nothing but the trade secrets. Technical advancement by the way of a new product or a new process, not limited to outer visual appearance. That means keep it secret and closer to the others. How do they protect it? By patent, by trademark, by copyright, plant breeder's right, utility mode, model and design, geographical indication and trade secrets. Why IPR are important? IPR allows control over technology, science and creations. Original purpose is to stimulate innovations and creativity by compensating the creators and innovators for their intellectual property. Lastly, intensive to the investment, nothing but the change in market player, big multinational startup. What is patent? As we all from the same profession, my object for today's presentation is patent, but I am not taking any technical concern. Patent is a grant for an individual invention by government to the inventor is exchange for full disclosure of the invention. A patent is an exclusive right granted by a law to applicant or assignee to make us or exploit their invention for a limited period of time. Generally, it takes 20 years for filing. Right to exclusive product, use and market. Nothing but the product, process and application. Role of patent system. It is under the organizational condition that is the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Office of the Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademark. It is divided into the 8 divisions. Patent Office at Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. Designing wings are at Kolkata. Trademarks Registry at Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Chennai. Geographical Indication Registry is at Chennai. Copyright Registry at Delhi. Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design Registry at Delhi. National Institute of Intellectual Property Management at Nagpur and Patent Information Service at Nagpur. The stages filling to the grant of patent, that is filing of application. It is on the two way, that is the provisional and the complete. It requires 12 months. Publication of application, also it requires 18 months for the filing. Request for examination for 48 months. Examination issue, that is the filing examination report by the third party. All objections to be completed within the 12 months. Then the grant the patent, but there is a opposition, that means the claims are there or the appeals are there. It takes the decision to the controller and applicant to the board by the amendment. For easy to understand, how to get the patent in India for any project, idea or any concept, the process of the patent filing. But make sure this one is maybe done the different conditions. How? Step 1. Invention disclosure. Write down the invention, that is your idea, concept with as much as detail as possible. This information is the raw format is called invention disclosure. It may the cost dependent multiple factor. Approximately when you go or hire the patent agent or the professional, it takes 55,000 to 1.5 lakh. Step 2. Non-disclosure agreement. Your invention before the application of the patent will need to discuss with the patent professional, supervisor, partner, technical assistant. For such instance, you need to protect the confidential agreements, non-disclosure agreement. Step 3. Is my invention is patentable? That's the question. All the invention may not be patentable. For that, you should check the novelty search and it takes 7 days. Writing and filing. Steps 4. Writing and filing patent application. This is the most critical part of the process and area of your interest, and see what the element it contains, how claim can return. It takes 7 days as a time. It is the two options, the first provisional patent application and the second complete patent application. Step 5. Publication of the application. If you do not want to wait till the expiry period of the 18 month for the publication, then you will go to fill the optional form, that is 9 number, and it costs 2,500 rupees. Step 2. Request for the examination. The patent application is examined at patent office only after receiving the request for the examination, and for that 4,000 rupees required. Step 2. Response for the objection in the examination report. Majority of the patent application will receive the same time that the objection based on examination report with the patent raised in the report, as tries to prove patentable and satisfied all the patentable criteria. Grant for the patent is the 8th point, and the application would be the place in order to grant. The grant of the patent is notified in the journal, which is published time to time, and the last point, term and the date, is given from the patent office. Total number of the patent is filed, that data is from 2012 to 17 by IBPO annual report. Total number of the patent granted by the different discipline. Patent granted to the Indian and foreigner by the annual report controller general to the patent design and the trademark. Patent filed by the different states of India, that the data from the 2016 to 17 by IPPO annual report. There are some controversials, that is poppy, neem tree, maca, basmati, turmeric and anuska. There are the Indian IP laws. I am not going through detail on that. What you can be give the patent conditions for the life sciences. The process related to the microorganism or the product chemical substances using such microorganism are the patentable. The biological materials such as recombinant DNA, plasmid, the process of manufacture thereof are the patentable provided they are produced by the sustained human intervention. But what cannot patent in the life sciences? There is the living entities of the natural origin such as animals, plant in whole or any part of thereof, plant varieties, seeds, species are not patentable. The any process of manufacture or the producing related to such living entities is also not patentable. Essentially, biological processes for the production of plant and animal such as the method of crossing or the breeding etc. are not patentable. Gene sequence, DNA sequence without having the disclosure their function are not patentable for the lack of inventive steps and industrial application. This is all my references. Thank you.